In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a TikTok video longer than 60 seconds. Okay, so previously you could only record up to 60 seconds, but TikTok has done some updates and now you can actually record up to 10-minute videos if you have that feature available in your country. So the first step is to tap on the create button at the bottom in the center to start creating your TikTok video. Now you'll notice here it says 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 3 minutes. If you tap on the 3-minute option right there, then you'll be able to hold down the record button and record up to 3 minutes, or tap the upload button and upload a video from your camera roll up to 3 minutes. Now, if you don't have that 3-minute option, then what you want to do is you want to go out of TikTok, go into your app store, either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and make sure that you have the latest update of TikTok to be able to get the 3-minute feature. And if you actually have the 5-minute feature available, you'll actually be able to upload 5-minute videos by tapping the upload button and then uploading a video that is about 5 minutes long. And that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.